In this video, I'm gonna show you energizing morning yoga routine. Take a deep breath in, inhale, raise your hands up, and slowly go down. Put both your palms on the floor, moving forward, and take a step by your right leg. Slowly moving side to side, back to the plank pose, and go to down facing dog. Make a push-ups, and put your leg forward, your knee between your shoulder and chest. Make a step by your right leg and slowly go up. Inhale, slowly go down. Make your left leg behind you, moving side to side. Plank pose, everything smooth. Go to the down facing dog. Make a 2 push-ups and make a step by your left leg forward. Also moving side to side. Put your right leg close to the left leg and slowly up. Inhale and down. Make a step back by your right leg, moving side to side, and slowly go to the plank pose. Also moving and down facing dog. Make a 2 push-ups by your toes. And put your leg forward, side to side, everything slowly. Put your right leg near your left leg, and slowly up. Don't forget, make a circle by your shoulders. Inhale, exhale, slowly down. Put your right leg behind you, moving side to side, back to the plank pose, and down facing dog. Make a 3 push-ups. And put your right leg forward, shaking side to side. Put your left leg closer to the right leg and slowly up. Inhale, slowly down. Make a right leg behind you, moving side to side. Left leg behind you, plank pose, and gently and smooth down facing dog. Make a 3 push-ups and put your right leg in front of you. Left leg also in front of you, and slowly up. Inhale, exhale, going down. Left leg behind you, moving side to side, and put your left knee on the floor. Rise up your body and hold yourself for a little bit in this position. Then again back to plank pose, knee, lie down, and rise in the Sphinx pose. Hold yourself in this position for a little bit. Lie down and back to the plank pose. Smooth and gently go to down facing dog, little bit walking on the spot, then push-ups from your toes, and put your left leg in front of you. Moving side to side, and slowly put the right knee on the floor. Rise up your body, try to get some balance, and hold yourself in this position. Slowly back to the plank pose. Moving side to side, knee, lie down on the floor. And hold yourself in the Sphinx pose, when your arms and palms on the floor. Don't forget, breathe. Lie down. And back to the plank pose, and then smooth and gently down facing dog, walking on the spot. Make a push-ups from your toes, and put your right leg forward, moving side to side. Put your left knee on the floor, rise up your body, hold yourself for a little bit. back to the plank pose, knee, lie down, and hold yourself in a Sphinx pose for a little bit. Lie down, rise up, moving side to side in the plank pose, go to the down facing dog, a little bit walking on the spot, and then some push-ups from the floor. Put your left leg in front of you, moving side to side. Put your right knee on the floor and slowly rise up your body. Hold yourself for a little bit in this position. Continue breathing. And slowly back to the plank pose. Knee and lie down. Rise up your body in a Sphinx pose. Lie down and back to the plank pose. Smooth and gently go to the down facing dog, walking on the spot. Make a push-up through it twice. And put your left leg forward, moving side to side, right knee on the floor and twisting to the left side. When one of your palm on your leg and another palm just open and your arm on your left knee. If you can't put your left palm on your left leg, just put it on the floor. Hold yourself for a little bit in this position. And then back to the plank pose. Lie down on the floor and rise up in cobra pose. Hold yourself for 5 seconds. And go down. Up, go to plank pose, moving side to side, back to down facing dog, walking on the spot, make some push-ups through the toes. And put your right leg in front of you, moving side to side and slowly rise up your body. Repeat twisting to another side, when your right palm on the left leg and when your left arm on your right knee. Hold yourself a little bit in this position. Don't forget to breathe. And slowly back to the plank pose. Moving side to side. Lie down on the floor. And rise up in the cobra pose. Hold yourself for 5 seconds. And slowly go down. Back to the plank pose. And down facing dog. Walking on the spot. Push up through the toes. Everything we do slowly. Don't forget breathing. Put your knee on the floor, gently, and put your hips on your feet. Just sit down, make a circle by your shoulders, and slowly go to the half of lotus pose. Just make comfortable position for yourself and relax. And now we will be breathing. Deep yogi breath. When we make an inhale, our stomach like a ball. When you make an exhale, our stomach close to our bones. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Very good. Now we start breathing with hold our breath. When you do it, inhale, hold yourself for a little bit, and then make exhale. Do it with me. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Hold yourself, not breathe. Exhale. Relax. Continue breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Continue breathing. Make an inhale, raise your hands, put both of your hands in a prayer position, continue breathing. It was a very nice yoga class. I hope you enjoyed it. Now you're ready to start your day. See you in the next video.